Poppin', right? Well, if you're interested in how I got these amazing, poppin', wonderful curls, keep watching so you can find out. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, I would love it if you would go down below and click on that subscribe button and click the little notification bell so you always get notified when I have new videos. But we're gonna get right into today's video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve my wash and go. And this is freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. All I'm gonna be using for this wash and go today is this spray bottle. And this Mousse by the Doux. It's called Mousse Def. And literally, this is the truth. You don't need a leave-in, you don't need a cream. All you need is your hair, some water, and this mousse, okay? We're gonna get right into this video. All right, you guys, so as you can see here, I went ahead and put my hair into 4 sections, and then I just pulled a smaller section out of that section, and then I split that section in half. I find that the smaller your section sometimes, the better your results will come out. So first I'm just going to take my spray bottle and spritz my hair with water. And then I'm just going to rake my fingers through to detangle my hair a little bit more. And then I'm going to take 2 pumps of the Mousse Def, squirt that in my hand. And I'm going to apply that to my hair. And it says that you should get a white soapy consistency, which is what I have. And after I've worked that product in my hair, I'm just going to start shingling my hair. And basically shingling is just taking strands of hair, wrapping them around your fingers to define your curls a little more. And I do that process to my whole head. All right, now that that section is done, I'm gonna move on to the next section. I'm gonna take my spray bottle, spray my hair with water. Then I'm going to rake my fingers through to detangle it a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 pumps of the Mousse Def and apply that to my hair, getting that soapy consistency again. And again, I am going to shingle this section. Alright, so now that you guys have watched me do this a couple of times, I'm just going to go ahead and do this to my whole head, speed it up a little bit. I know you guys don't want to see this whole entire process. Alright, so I have officially made it to the front of my hair, which is way longer than the back of my hair, but I still use the same technique. Spray my hair with water, Then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it a little bit with my fingers as soon as I get the other hair out of my face. Oh, actually, I lied. I detangled it with the comb here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the 2 pumps of the Mousse Def and apply that to my hair. See, I did. And just gonna go ahead and rake it through, still getting that soapy consistency. I keep having to get my hair out of my face, you guys. It's really long at the front. And then just gonna go ahead and shingle it through like I did before. And as you can see, this product is really defining my curls. Like, I probably don't even have to shingle it, but I do anyways. Alright, you guys, and here is what my hair looks like as soon as I finish applying the product. It's still wet, still has that white soapy look to it, but it's okay because once it dries, the white goes away. My curls are still defined. I'm just gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry. No diffusing, no hooded dryer, no any of that. Air drying does this product just fine, and I'll show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Completely dried, and it was air dried. It hasn't been picked out or anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you all are going to try this mousse only wash and go. Definitely go buy these products, the Doux. They are bomb and amazing. One product wash and go, and it's a mousse. No leave-in, no gel, no anything required. My hair is so soft, so defined. Curls are popping. It's just bomb. Like, what more could you ask for? So thanks for watching this video, and remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.